Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to display phone bar on Squarespace. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your website. And now from here guys, just simply go to the left side of the screen and just simply go to the pages over here. And now once you are on the pages, down below you should be able to see here utilities. Just simply go to website tools. And after that, you should be able to see here mobile information bar. So guys, from here, you can just simply click on this over here and you can enable it by going for light or dark. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And you can show your email as well, your phone number, your location, and business hours. And after that, make sure to click on save on the top left corner of the screen to save the changes. And from there, you should be able to display a phone bar on Squarespace. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.